Lima was the Secretary of Justice for 6 years. What happened during her tenure? Lalong lumakas ang proliferation ng droga even in her own turf at the National Penitentiary. If she's truly sincere to stop this drug menace, let us ask her, what did she do? As Justice Secretary in charge of the NBI, the Prosecution Service, and the Correctional.
Ma'am, would you like to react yung una, yung proliferation daw ng drugs during your time as DOJ Secretary?
Kasalanan ko yun? Are they accusing me na ako may kasalanan? And then tingnan nyo na lang, what I can say is that, balikan nyo na lang yung mga ginawa ko rin. Alam nyo naman siguro, for example, in the Philippines, sino ba ang gumawa ng hakbang at sino ba ang gumawa ng konkretong hakbang para i-address yung mga napapabalita ng pamamayagpag ng mga drug lords inside the Philippines. Ilang beses ko na yan sinasabi na nung naka-receive kami noon ng mga intel reports about dun sa mga ginagawa nga ng mga ilang convicts sa Philippines, I had to convene an interagency meeting and we met several times and pinavalidate ko yung mga intel reports na yan na di umano may mga convicts na were still plying their drug trade while inside the penitentiary. So nung na-validate, ang next step, linano namin kung ano ba dapat gawin. May mga options. And then yung option na kung saan meron kaming consensus was gawin nga yung raid na yon. The major raid which happened in December 15 of 2014, where I personally led that major raid. Hindi madali yun. Dahil, dangerous. Kung meron nga mga namatay doon, karga ko yun. But fortunately, the operation went well, very smoothly. And then, nung natuklasan nga namin yung mga ganon ng mga pamumuhay nila sa loob, yung mga luxurious lifestyle and kanilang mga kubol, ay linipat muna namin yung Bilibid 19 to the NBI detention facility. Dahil hindi namin alam kung saan sila ilalagay sa Bilibid. So, naghanap kami ng isang lugar sa Bilibid na kung saan pwede sila talaga ilagay. So ang tinuro sa akin noon by the then director, si Frank Bucayo, was building 14. So inumpisahan yung renovation, and then in the meantime, a new Bucor director came in, and that is Director General Rainier Cruz. So nung natapos yung renovation ng Building 14, si DG Cruz na, si Director Rainier Cruz na yung director. So binalik namin from the NBI detention facility, the Bilibid 19. And the Building 14 used to house the death row convicts. But pinarenovate ko and converted into a more secure facility. Pinalagyan ng mga CCTV and other measures were put in place to ensure na hindi na uli nakakapag-transact. Kasi ang pag-transact nila was through cell phones and other communication gadgets. Hindi naman po totoo na doon mismo sa loob ng Bilibid linuluto ang shabu o kung anumang klaseng droga. Wala po kaming nahanap na ganun. Halos imposible po yun. Except if lahat magkakakuntsaba from the director up to the lowest ranking employee of the Bucor, but that's not the case. May mga nagluloko dyan, pero hindi naman siguro lahat. Karamihan siguro nagluloko, especially the prison guards. Now, so, and then they blame you for the proliferation of drugs. Hindi naman siguro tama yun.
Herbert Colanco, Peter Co, and Peter Lim, familiar names to many who are aware of the drug trade in the country. They grabbed headlines a couple of times before, and now they're making headlines again courtesy of President Duterte, who identified them as the country's top drug lords. Co and Colanco are detained at Building 14 within the maximum security compound of the National Penitentiary, but they are enjoying a lavish lifestyle nonetheless. Colanco is a convicted bank robbery gang leader. He is also linked to other robbery syndicates like Waray and Ozamis. During a raid at the National Penitentiary in 2014, government investigators discovered that apart from owning a bungalow inside the facility, Colanco apparently had a music studio built inside the prison, with high-class musical equipment and a complete band setup. The walls are filled with Colanco's pictures. Authorities also found 3 vaults with luxury bags and signature watches, apart from cash amounting to 600,000 pesos in various currencies.
Lahat po dito, meron pong dipapil pong na yung request po. Mga donation po yun sa mga kaibigan, sa mga politician, at lalo na yung ang aking uncle na... Sino pong uncle? Yung uncle ko po si Congressman.
Co is said to be the leader of Bilibid-19. Intelligence reports from the Philippine National Police and National Bureau of Investigation show Co has been handling a drug trade network in Luzon and Metro Manila. He funded a number of political candidates for protection. During the same raid in 2014, a gun was found in Co's Cubol that was registered to a congressman. Peter Lim is a wealthy businessman from Cebu. There's little information about his person. A well-placed source who has led investigations on illegal drug trade in the country says drug lords usually acquire businesses, both legal and illegal, to launder their drug money. They usually have protectors from the police. President Duterte claimed such is retired Deputy Director General Marcelo Garbo. The source says Garbo strengthened his links to the drug trade when he was regional director in Cebu. The former police official has not come out since Mr. Duterte identified him as a drug lord protector. Protectors supposedly receive 7 million pesos per week so that illegal gambling and smuggling can continue. They also earn from the drug trade. In exchange, protectors share intelligence information and get immunity from arrest and raids. Trisha Terada, CNN.
Bantay kayo sa akin. Bantay kayo sa akin. Bantay kayo sa akin. Basta pagka magloko-loko, ayaw ko nang makita pa nakatindig isa. Wala akong gustong nakakita nakatindig sa inyo. Yan talaga ang totoo. Prangka nationwide yan. Bantay kayo sa akin. Basta pagka magloko-loko, ayaw ko nang makita pa nakatindig isa. Wala akong gustong nakakita nakatindig sa inyo. Yan talaga ang totoo. Prangka nationwide yan.